Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to cook. Yes, this is a requested topic about the sweets which are anti-inflammatory. So I did my research and I'm going to cook today, and it's gonna be fun because I cannot cook to save my life. So you're gonna witness my big embarrassment, but hey ho. I've got two very simple, what they say is simple things, so we will see how it gonna goes. The one is very simple, so I think it's literally impossible for me to mess this up. Well, you never know because I cannot cook, so we'll see. Let's dive in. The first thing, a baked banana and baked pear with cinnamon and with manuka honey. This is like pure honey. Not every honey is the same honey. Honey should have only one ingredient, which is the honey. I don't know if you can see this. Can you see this? You see manuka honey? There you go. Ingredients. If the honey's got more than one ingredients, and some of them do have, like for example, they've got some syrup or they have some sugar, just stay away from it because it's not like natural. This one is, so it's gonna be good. As you can see, I like my honey because I eat it almost half of it. So let's start. So I did cut the bananas and I did cut the pears, and now I guess we're gonna add some cinnamon. I never done it before, but it's so simple, it's impossible to get it wrong, huh? Professional. And this is how we do a very amazing and very British banana with a pear. So I put some honey in it, as you can see. I don't know what will happen. Do you think it's gonna caramelize the honey? Well, the honey is not sugar, so I don't know if it will caramelize it. Let's see now. I'm not sure for how long should I put it, but I'm gonna put it like for maybe what, 1 minute, 2 minutes, and let's see what's happened. And I took it out from the oven, and the banana tastes like banana. Banana actually tastes very nice. Warm, me like. But the pear, guys, dupe nie urywa. I don't even know how to translate this in English. Basically, it's not that amazing. It tastes like a pear with honey and cinnamon. But nothing amazing, so don't try it at home. From 1 till 10, I'm gonna give it 2. Let's try another thing, and this is going to be more complicated because it's organic mixed brownie. It's the gluten-free, it's dairy-free and vegan, and I would have to add some honey to it, and I've got some instructions, so let's see what to do. We need unsalted butter. I don't have butter, I have only olive oil. This, I don't know, can you bake with olive oil, guys? Let me know, but I'm gonna make an attempt because I don't have anything else and I don't really know how to cook, so I'm gonna do it with olive oil. Then 100 gram, 1.5 cup of water. So good that they put the cups here of water because I've got no idea how much 100 gram is. Then 20 gram, 1 tablespoon of the honey, and make it vegan. Vegetable spread, vegetable oil, cup of water, agave nectar. I'm gonna put it with a honey. Okay, so preheat the oven to 180. I did. Line a baking tin with a baking paper. Shit. Okay, so I've got the baking tin, but I do not have a baking paper, guys. Can you bake something without a paper? I don't know. And what if I put this one as a baking paper? Like, this is like foil, but I'm afraid that it's gonna actually catch on fire and I'm gonna set the kitchen on fire. So no, there is no baking paper. Damn it, I'm not good prepared, but I'm gonna do it without. What's the worst can happen? I would have to scrub it off from this. Okay, so what to do now? Grease with the butter or vegetable oil. Okay, bear it with me. I have to grease it. Grease it. I don't have bowl. I've got something like this, so this should do. Whisk the butter or vegetable oil, water and your liquid sweetener. Add your brownie mix to the wet mixture. Okie dokie, so we're gonna whisk it. We're gonna whisk it now. I honestly have a second thought of using this olive oil because it cannot whisk it. I cannot whisk it good enough. You see, the honey doesn't want to go. And it looks pretty disgusting if you ask me. But hey, I'm doing what they're telling me to do. You're gonna be the witness how you can fuck up the recipe with following the recipe, because I'm pretty sure I can manage to do that. But come on, get out. It doesn't want to get out. Blah. Disgusting. Okay, so now we're putting the mix to the mixed and we're gonna whisk it even more. Let's see. Okay guys, I've been whisking like 10 minutes and I don't have like special equipment for whisking. I've got only my hand and this spoon. I don't even know where are the other spoons because, as you know, I don't cook. So I'm whisking and whisking and it looks pretty disgusting if you ask me. Bloop. Bloop. I don't know how to whisk it better. Okay, and they never mentioned to add the things, but since we're going to improvise, I'm gonna improvise and add some nuts. These nuts, I think I should cut them before, but hey, I didn't. So I'm just gonna pop in some nuts, hoping that whoever's gonna be eating it don't break their tooth. No, this one is too big, way too big. Okay, let's put some cinnamon. I don't know, should we do like this? But I just did it, so it's too late. And then let's whisk it a little bit more and see what's happened. And add some more honey, which is not, I don't think adding honey is a good idea because it, for some reason it's not melting. With this, okay. Okay, so now pour the mixture into the prepared tin and bake for 14-16 minutes. Tip: take out at 14 minutes for fudgy brownies. Yes, we want fudgy brownies. Once ready, cool and wire rack into 12 pieces and enjoy. Tayyip. So we are pouring this one here, I guess. Woo! All of it. I guess all of it. Okay guys, so it's done. It's done. This is the pieces of chocolate I just discovered. Okay. So the time has come when I'm gonna put it to the oven. My strange mixture, which looks pretty horrible, floating on olive oil. I don't think olive oil was good idea to put it on, but we will see. What's the worst can happen? Said Yoa when she blew up her kitchen. hopefully it's not going to be that bad. Okay, so I'm just going to put it now to the oven and we'll see in 14 minutes what happened with our organic fudge browns. Guys, time has come when I'm going to see what's happened with my brownies. So there we are after 15 minutes. It looks strange. I don't know what to expect, guys. Very hot. Well, it definitely looked like a fudge. I think it needs a little bit more to be there. What you guys think? It's a fudgy, but it's like funny fudgy. Do you know what I mean? I cannot even cut it even if I want to. Well, definitely something is happening inside. So maybe let's put it for what? 10 more minutes? 10 more minutes. And see what will happen. Strange. I hope I'm not gonna burn this one. Let's try it on. Well, it tastes good. It tastes kind of okay. But I think I'm gonna put it a little bit more. Well, so far this has happened. It's uncuttable so far. So okay, I'm gonna put it for a little bit longer. But I'm afraid that this one's gonna get like dark. Like crispy dark. But I think at least I can scrub it off. What do you think? Okay guys, so I put it a little bit for longer, I don't know, maybe 10 minutes, and we'll see what will happen. So here we are guys. I'm pretty sure I burned this one and it's not going to work, but let's just stay optimistic till the last minute and see how it turns out. I give up guys, I give up. As you can see, nothing much changed here. It's still fudgy with a little bit brown on top. I still cannot cut it even if I want to. Well, something is definitely happening inside. Maybe I should put it longer. But for fuck's sake, like how longer is longer? It's already been there like for half an hour, more than half an hour. Guys, I think I'm done with it. I give up. Do you think so? Do you think it can turn out normal or not really? Okay guys, I cannot try anymore because I have to cook the dinner for my husband, who's gonna be here any minute. But let's just say that I did my best and I tried. I think, tell me what went wrong. What went wrong here? Tell me, because I think it must be this olive oil which I put, and it make it a little bit flotationless. Definitely cannot cut it. Damn it. Oh well. So this is the example how can you literally fucked up a very basic recipe. You can do it. So this is the example how can you literally up a very simple recipe. Yes, I just prove it to you that even if though it got like 3 steps to do, Yola managed to do something wrong. And it's uncuttable and uneatable. But at least I tried. I did it for you guys. I did it for you. There is the recipes of the more amazing things. And I'm pretty sure you can make them better than I can do. I just cannot cook. So please don't feel discouraged by my chocolate fudge brownie which turned out like this. But check my blog post. I put some recipes over there, so check it out and let me know, send me some pictures how is yours turned out. As always, I love you so much and I will see you very shortly. Bye.